Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Buy Your Time Back. So it's June 5th. It's a beautiful Monday morning. And how did you guys like last Friday? Price action. It was beautiful. It was different. I was expecting to move up, but wasn't expecting them to, keep moving up all day like that. But we back at it. It's Monday. Friday was Friday. Today, just got to be patient, vigilant, and, as always, wait for price to develop so we can see the triggers that we look for before we enter into a trade. We do have data dropping at 9:45 and 10 today. So about like a 15 minutes different, 30 minutes from now for the last data to drop. The way things are looking from what I've been scanning so far, I'm looking for a move back down. That's what I'm looking for. So if they're going to start that move now or if they're going to, keep a tight range for right now until after 10, I don't know. That's why we need to allow price to develop. But I kind of like the move down as of right now. So, but I'm not married to it. I'm just based on price action overnight and what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. That's where I'm at as of right now. But until price, develop a little bit more, data drop and settle, then we'll know for sure what the market makers are trying to do. I plan to take it slow and steady, like always. Do my best to anyways. So let's hang back, let price do what price do. And if we see opportunity, then, we step up and do what we do. So it's 9:32. And let's go. All right. So that was two nice trades. We had our first one where we got stopped out for two ticks, where we got in over here at 42.94.75, and we got stopped out at 42.94.25. So this reversal, this short trade here and here is something that I'm tracking to right now. And I'm working through my risk management on this specific setup here. I'm diligently trying to figure out my risk management on this trade. My initial eyeball as I'm tracking it is to have my stop above the previous candle high. But the way my ATM is set up, once I'm 4 points into the trade, it moves in by two ticks to secure it, right? In a case where, this price just shot up here, right? Let's say if price never, well, in this case, price pulled up, stopped me out, and came right back down to the target. But let's say if price pulled back and didn't come back down, right? I still walked away with something on the trade to pay the fees, versus having a rip like we had on this reversal back to the upside before we have this move back down here. So as we started to come back down, I'm like, this don't look good. I'm like, yes, I see the setup again. From the open, I was looking for the shorts. So once I got this candle again and this candle closed, I was like, yes, I'm getting in. I did a sell market. I wish if I had got a fill at 93 instead of 92.75, but all well as well. Got the fill into the trade and got the nice exit on this nice push down. I was also looking at the 5 minute chart over here on the right, and on this candle, when this candle closed, I was still very bearish and still like to move down. So that's when we got the fill on this candle here on this last push down. So that's two trades on the day, two back-to-back winners. It is 10:17. I will continue to track the market up until 11 o'clock today. I don't know if I'm going to be taking any trades in my live account yet. But we just have to hang out, and see what the market shows before I take one in my live account. But, it's all about risk management. It's all about being patient. It's all about getting comfortable before we switch into our live account and take a trade. I'm only looking right now. The only trades I'm looking to take in my live account is the 1 hour reversal trade. If you're looking at this video, my previous video on 6/2, if you go take a look at that, I'll link it down below. Take a look at that previous video on 6/2, and you will see that 1 hour trade there. That trade, every time I've been tracking it, always looks to be very very beautiful trade. So on Friday it showed up and I took it, and on Friday it worked out. So I'm only tracking that, and there's some other things around it that I look at before I actually enter into the trade, just for that full confirmation that we are going to get that reversal. So, but sound like I'm rambling. Let's hang back. We had two nice trades so far. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's even slow it down even more now, and just wait for another nice setup here. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna call it a day now. Had a little extra free time today, so I stayed on a whole hour later than I normally would like to be on trading. It's now 12 noon. I sat around. I waited to see if I might get another setup. I was very short driven today. I was looking for another short, but it never quite presented itself. We had a slow grind to the upside here from like 10:30 to where we are now at 12. It was a nice slow grind up. Looked like they might maybe find some support at 4,300, where they might try and push it down, but it seemed like they're trying to keep it up, but neither here nor there for me. It's 12:01, and I'm calling it a day. So, as usual, stay blessed, hang with the best, and we'll be back at it tomorrow looking for, beautiful setups. We had two nice trades today, and, we appreciate, I appreciate that. Both looks were good. One of them kind of got choked out a little early, so we had a small win. The other one, we had the full 5 points. So till next time, y'all, stay blessed, hang with the best.